guys, it's me. Welcome back to the Lawn Show. And today we're going to be cooking the same thing, but just like in a different way, I think. But first, let's wash my hands because you know coronavirus. So I'll see you guys when I'm done washing my hands. So guys, now I'm outside because I need to go check the mail and just get away from my sister because she's trying to cook while I'm cooking, and she's just being really raggy. It's not focused. Okay, now it's focusing, and it's about to start raining again because it's sprinkling. So yeah, she hit me pretty hard in my arm. So we're just gonna go back in and continue cooking. So see you guys when I'm back in the house. Got the lighter. Oh, and back inside, but got the lighters. So guys, what I'm first gonna do is use this. Going to be pouring the meat in here. Guys, I am wrapping the meat. What you're gonna do is get this. That went off. At this point, we're just gonna start masking it up. Just so you guys can end up masking it up. So it's getting brown. So we're gonna put our seasonings in. First, we're gonna put on this Sorrel seasoning. Ooh, that was a little too much. Now we're just gonna put on this all-purpose seasoning. And then now all we're gonna do is seasoning salt. Just not that much. I think the meat's gonna be flavorful. And it's already turning brown. It just like has chunks of pink in it. And like there's like just chunks of meat. And you just need to break those pieces down. So the pink is like going down. There's not a lot of pink left. Yeah. We're just gonna add a little more seasoning. Not a lot because I keep putting too much. See guys, y'all can smell the flavor. Well, I can. Okay, I think now it's time to like add the taco seasoning. We're just gonna stir this for a little bit longer because it's already everything's brown. Now we're just gonna get back to my mom. It's time to add the taco seasoning. So see you guys when I put the taco seasoning on. I'm just gonna make a part 2 to this. Bye.